First stop is Banjara Market. And then I got this cactus. Where are you? This is our dinner. Good morning. What are you doing with your bottle? They just woke up. Khanu is getting his lemon water prepped. We finally have our 12-hour help, so which is great because suddenly a lot of our work has reduced. And last time I showed you guys in the community post that I finished my frame, and this is the last one that I'm making for us. And guys, this is something, and really by chance it's lying over here, but this is something I made when I was in high school or probably middle school, I don't know. Yeah, but in school. And this is how the wall looks now. Today we are going to go out because I have 3 frames ready which I have to align properly, but I want to get 1 frame for here and 1 frame for here, and then I have to do something about the wall on top of Young Jay's seat.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
He's like, sit on me. Okay, I will sit on you. You sit on me? Do you want to sit on mommy? No? You want mommy? No, don't take off.
No, don't take off your socks, Youngjae. It's cold.
I'll sit on you.
Hey.
Starting our morning with Ferrero Rocher after breakfast. Youngji, what's this?
What is this?
Youngji, it's a laddu. What's this? What's this?
Bichara.
Try that.
Yes.
What's this? It's a...
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
Can you see where the giraffe is? Guys, can you notice where the giraffe is?
뭐야 이거?
Youngji, what did you do?
뭐냐?
Guys,
나.
at least he's throwing less cocoa peat on the
No, he didn't throw.
table now.
I know what he has done. No.
Then,
Jump.
Giraffe इसके ऊपर jump कर रहा था.
giraffe.
So इसलिए थोड़ा निकल गया.
Youngji, what is the giraffe doing on the pot? What is this?
कहाँ से घुस रहा है?
अब इसको मैं बाद में clean करूँगी. What's this?
Sweet.
It's sweet.
Papa, keep to daddy. No, mom.
Don't
No,
open
don't
everything
keep
now.
opening all those. That's
Here,
it.
you take it. I'll make laddu. What's this? Laddu. Tell, because you said laddu. Youngji is busy with his Lego. All of them. क्या कर रहा है?
What idea? Wow. What idea? You know what a nice cat there.
It's a hat.
Tropical.
He's made them stand on this. What is this? It's a house or what?
Hats.
Some sort of control system or office. I think some sort of office space. And he's made them stand on them, sit inside on the chair, work on the laptop.
Oh.
Actually, he's very fond of the characters. So guys, we are now heading out. Our first stop is Banjara Market in Gurgaon.
Sector 56.
Sector 56. I've heard about it a lot. I've never been there, so I'm just going to try it out. Let's see if it is too overwhelming for me or if I can easily and quickly, because I like to pick up things quickly and I don't like too many options in front of me, which makes it easier for me to decide. So let's see how it goes, because anyways Young Jay cannot come out of the car and I have to just go alone and do it. Although Young Jay is enjoying a lot, because these days he's in that stage where he really likes to look out of the car and things like that. This is the market, and let's see if I can get something over here. I'm looking for some frames and some pots and stuff. Guys, so far I'm not able to find anything. Again, I think a lot of stuff, but most shops are carrying similar stuff, so it's so difficult to find something different. Yeah, but let me hunt more. options.
Father and son time. Mama went for shopping.
Baby,
But you can say outside. So we are staying in the car. Yeah, I wish we could take him out also, but since I can see that most of people are not wearing mask, and Youngjae mother's concern is he might, go and touch and break things. So yeah, we decide to stay in the car and play together. Okay. Yeah. So this is our last day of this year outing. That's it? You're not feeling hot, huh? 자꾸 좀 내려가. 아빠 내려줄게. 내려봐. 자. 그렇지. Good job. Good job.
Guys, so far not a bad experience. I got everything that I wanted. Not exactly what I wanted, but I feel something better. And so I went to that store for carpets, although I couldn't find anything that I wanted. But they have, like, this is the only store for rugs that I visited, and I want a rug for my house, a large rug. And yeah, but I think I can find something here. I'll just have to come here again. We can come on any other weekend. I don't have to come now itself. For winter, there are so many rug options. You can see so many stores are there, like so many, endless. It is overwhelming. You can get lost, but you can definitely keep looking and find something that you want. Guys, his cheeks are so red. We were in the car, it was very hot, it got very hot. Now it's nice, it's actually cold and breezy. The cheeks are still red.
Youngjae is hungry. Youngjae, where are you? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you? 여기 있나? 여기 있나? Huh? Huh? Pikachu? Okay, let's stay.
He's taking it inside. No point coming out if he's feeling cold. So guys, let me show you guys what all I got from Banjara Market. I'm actually quite excited about it, but I think I bought one faulty product, and of course there's no way to return it, but I think I'm just going to try and see if I can do something about it on my own. So I got these two rice bowls. This is from like that Khurja pottery that they sell everywhere. This is for like, these are slightly smaller in size than the ones that I got from Fab India, and these I can use for like soups and all, sometimes for just soups, and yeah, sometimes for soups I don't need big bowls like the ones that I got from Fab India, so just like a different size. And then my intention was to buy photo frames like those, but then I couldn't find those kind of photo frames, and then I got these, like each one is for $100, and I think I could have bargained more, but I actually didn't feel like bargaining more because this is the year of Corona, and I felt like anyways 100 is not very expensive, so that was my thing. And this is the faulty one that I got. There were so many of them, you just have to pick one on your own, so it's not even like their fault or anything like that. But let's see if I can do something about it. Anyways, nothing heavy has to go here, so in case it's not going to fall off, I can just hang it like this. And then I got this cactus shaped piece. It's not brass, and it's just, I think, gold painted steel. And I got this because I had one space, and my intention, I was not planning to buy anything, but then this was also just like, I got this for $400, which also may seem expensive, but also very cheap considering you can get like really this could have been very expensive if I bought it online. Or so 2021 for me is going to be all about decorating two things: Young Jay's basic learning and education at home, I think, because I'm planning to enroll him in some programs, online sort of thing, online, or I would say like homeschooling kind of thing. And I am going to be decorating or redoing this house. I would not say redoing because I've never done it. I'm just going to do this house in a way that we would feel, again, you know, just like feel our vibe in this house. I couldn't focus on that in 2019 and 2020, and I think 2021 is the year that I'm going to just purely focus on that. And I feel like it's a lot, how do I say, it's a big stress reliever also for me. Like, I'm really enjoying doing it, and I'm also trying to do it in I'm trying to do as many DIYs in decorating the house, and I'm trying to, so I'm just going to incorporate all these things in seeing if I can like not spend a lot of money in making this house look the way I want to. And it's refreshing because when you start thinking of DIYs and stuff, I feel like you know, things that you don't like in the house that you entered and you initially didn't like, you start figuring out ways to make them also look good. Like the flooring of this house is like this traditional stone sort of thing, and initially I didn't like it, and now I have so many ideas just based around the stone, because stone is going to be this stone is going to be pretty visible in this house. So guys, let me show you what we are doing on the last day of 2020. We will be watching Friends. I think 2021 hobby for Bhanu is going to be a lot of Lego.
It's for Young Jay.
He always says it's for Young Jay, but I can...
Obviously,
it's fine. I mean, I understand Young Jay is going to enjoy it, but Bhanu, you enjoy it too. Like, you are really focused on it. Like, I would get anxiety looking at the amount of pieces there are. I mean, you from this video you can't make out, by the way. And then half of this box I emptied the other day. Half of this box was emptied and put into one basket, and rest, there's so many still below it, and some of the pieces are like just lying in this box somewhere, and he has to take out and arrange everything. So it's a work for more than a year, I think. So we are going
not even a year. It'll finish next month only.
Next month he'll probably only finish this, and that also I doubt. I mean, but he did finish this. He managed to make this.
Not all. It's a completed 100%.
So he's saying it's not completed. And for me, I am going to be making my vision board for 2021. Came out for a walk in our society, and then Young Jay got off. The society looks pretty nice with all the lights you can see behind me. And now this is how they are going. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Oh, there you are showing me your face with your hand.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. So guys, this is our dinner for today. Gonu prepared the Korean barbecue, and we are quite late in eating that, but it's good because we are pretty hungry now to eat it. So guys, Young Jay is very sleepy. We are just stretching it for him so that we can quickly eat and then make him sleep, because he'll want to sleep with us. And then if the barbecue gets cold, it's not really tasty. And also, we are going to start watching Reply in 1994. If you can see it on the TV. We really, I don't know about you, but I really enjoyed watching Reply 1988. I mean, I think one of the best Korean series that I saw this year, and I'm so grateful I asked you guys, because great recommendation. Please give more recommendation of family dramas that are light-hearted, like Reply 1988. I hope Reply 1994 is also like that. But let's see, because I tried to watch Sky Castle after this. No, that's not the kind of stories that I like. Very harsh reality of Korea. I don't want to watch.
I hope you guys was enjoying your end of the year with your family, friends, and nice time. And yeah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.